Welcome to Kind English. Learn English with a fun and curious question.
Can trees communicate with each other? Have you ever wondered if trees talk to each other? It may sound magical, but scientists have discovered that trees do indeed communicate through a hidden underground network. Let's explore how. Deep beneath forests lies an intricate network known as the mycorrhizal network, or wood wide web. These networks are formed by mycorrhizal fungi that connect tree roots together. Through these fungal connections, trees exchange not only nutrients, but also warning signals. Legendary forest ecologist Suzanne Simard revealed that old so-called mother trees act like communication hubs. These giants share nutrients like carbon and nitrogen with younger saplings, sometimes across different species. For example, when one Douglas fir loses access to sunlight, it might receive sugar from a nearby birch via the fungal network. Trees under attack from pests don't suffer in silence. They send warning signals via fungi or through the air by releasing chemicals, VOCs. Nearby trees detect these signals and boost their own defenses. It's nature's early warning system. Trees also communicate above ground. For instance, some release scents when grazed upon, like acacias emit ethylene gas, prompting neighboring trees to produce taste deterrents. While the wood wide web idea has gained popularity, some scientists argue the evidence is overstated or incomplete. Critics highlight that resource transfer might occur through soil or other means, not solely fungal networks. Understanding tree communication reshapes how we view forests, not as collections of individuals, but as living supersystems. It also informs conservation. Preserving mother trees is key to forest health and resilience. So yes, trees do communicate. They share resources, warning signals, and support through complex networks. It's a silent world that reveals how connected nature truly is. Next time you walk in a forest, imagine the hidden conversations beneath your feet. Vocabulary: mycorrhizal network, an underground fungal network linking plant roots. Mother tree, a large old tree that shares resources with younger trees. Sapling, a young tree. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, gases released by plants as signals. Resilience, ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Symbiosis, a close mutual relationship between organisms. Cognitive map, mental model of location relationships.
Thank you for listening to Kind English. Keep learning with a kind heart and a curious mind. See you next time.